If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To change the term estimate in your forms to another term, like quote or projection, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Custom Form Styles link in the menu to open the Custom Form Styles page. To apply this change to the standard form, click the Edit link under the Action column for the Standard Forms row. Then click the Content tab at the top of the Form Customization window. Then click the upper section at the right side of the page to edit the form's header. In the Form section to the left, change the term shown in the estimate field for the form. When finished, click the Done button in the lower right corner of the Form Customization window to save the changes and close it. Then, if you created one or more custom estimate forms, also change the estimate field's value within the header content section of those custom estimate forms too. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.